In this video, we're going to review the status settings. So if you look under the Maintenance tab and go to Status Settings, we start with Customer Returns. Here's where you can put in all the user-defined reasons of why customers are wanting to return things. So like if customer changed their mind, currently it's set will not be returned to stock, but you can edit that and say return to stock immediately. If you leave it as do not return to stock, you'll have another option when you get your customer returns window, such as under purchasing, returns from customers. You'll be able to set and decide whether or not you want to be returned to stock, returned to vendor, or discarded. So these are the different defaults that you can set up for returns. Another option, we'll go back to our maintenance again, under status settings, is RMA Returns. And this is when we sending the product back to the vendor. We're going to either ask them to repair or replace it, replace with a new item, cross-ship a replacement, or any other additional requests that we want in our RMA. Again, they're all user definable. Layaway status, if somebody's going to lay something away, it's really misnamed. It should say job cost status, but it's just here where we can set up additional job cost statuses. And again, just clicking that, and we can just determine what we want as what the status of the job is. Again, they're defaults. We have order status. On the order, are we going to drop ship this order, sales order? Are we going to ship it from our warehouse? Are we going to deliver it? Is the customer going to pick it up? So when we do our sales orders, we can set the status to be any of these plus some additional user defined, as you can see. Service status. When we start a service order, we can check any of these of where the work is at all time. Maybe it's checked in. Then we start working on it and becomes work in process. Once we're completed, it could be waiting for customer to pick it up, or we can say we're waiting for a part to come in to finish it up, or the work is complete and we can let the customer know they can come in and pick up their repaired item. Quote status, once again, is just going to be drop shipped right at the quote screen? Are we going to ship from the warehouse? Is it going to be delivered by our trucks? Or is the customer going to pick it up? That helps the people in the warehouse know how this is going to be delivered. And the last one is the call log. When we call a customer and we're able to speak to the customer, we can say that we did speak with the customer, and then we can put our message in the call log. We can say we left a message for a person, left it on a machine, busy, no answer, or any additional items such as we're being ghosted. But it gives you the ability to, instead of having to type this stuff, you can just click it and it fills it all in for us. So that's how the status settings are all taken care of. It gives us a chance to set those, and then we can run reports based on these different statuses.